Hello everyone, today we will have a quick revision of circles by solving a number of problems to be based on the application of theorems discussed. So let's solve the very first problem. In this first problem we are given a circle with center at O and a number of points A, B, C are lying on it such that the angles subtended by this arc AB at center, this AOB, we are given 30 degree. For such a case, we have to find the angle subtended by the same arc AB at point C on the remaining part of circle. So we discussed a theorem that angle subtended by an arc at the center is double of the angle subtended by the same arc at any point on the remaining part of circle. So this angle AOB, angle at center, we have double of angle subtended by the same arc AB at the point C on remaining part of circle. Therefore, this angle ACB is angle AOB divided by 2, and this AOB we are given 30 degree, and 30 divided by 2 is 15 degree. So this angle ACB becomes 15 degree. That's the required answer. Let's check the second problem. In second problem, we are given a circle with center at O such as, that's the circle with center at O and a number of points A, B, C are lying on it. And this angle ACB is 40 degree, and this OAB, this angle measures x. So value of x we have to calculate here. On using theorem, we get to know that angle subtended by AB at center is double of the angle subtended by it at point C on the remaining part of circle. So this angle AOB we have double of angle ACB, where ACB is 40 degree. So it is 2 times of 40 degree. So it becomes 80 degree. Now in triangle OAB. In triangle OAB we have this OA equal to OB, as these two are the radii of same circle. So it implies that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. It means this angle OAB equals to angle OBA. And this OAB we are given x. So each would be x. Each of these two would be x. Now using angle sum property in triangle OAB, we have sum of all three angles x plus AOB, which measures 80 degree. So this x plus 80 degree equals to 180 degree using angle sum property. So it is x plus x 2x plus 80 equals to 180. So this 2x equal to 180 minus 80 results to 100. So this x equal to 100 upon 2. This results to 50 degree. That's the required value of